What is up, bro? So to answer number 4, let's try to go through the question itself. But I'm just gonna answer for A. I'm not gonna answer B because I believe that by having ideas about how to answer A, you'll be able to answer B. So let's go directly to understand the question or the given itself. So OAB is a triangle. So you notice that OAB is a triangle, all right? So O, A, and B are the vertices of a triangle. And given that M is the midpoint of AB, so it simply means M is exactly, it's exactly the midpoint. I mean, it's at the middle of the line AB, all right? You need to put that in mind. And N is a point on OB such that ON is M of vector O to B. Express AM and OM in terms of OA and OB. All right, now let's try to figure it out. First of all, what we need to do is let's try to illustrate OAB as a triangle, all right? So I can just say like, all right, here, oh my god, I'm sorry, that's a terrible sketching. All right, so let's say this is O, this is A, this is B, right? And M is the midpoint of AB, so it means M is exactly at the, the middle point of AB. So this is M, and N is a point on on OB, such that ON is M of OB. Let's assume that N is here, all right? So you can put N anywhere in on the line, and at this moment I'm just like, all right, let's put it there because it doesn't really affect the result. And ON is M, oh my gosh, M times of vector OB. Express AM and OM in terms of OA and OB. All right, so first of all, AM is basically half of AB, vector A to B. Why it is half of A? Because it said in the in the given that it is the midpoint of AB, right? So it means it is half of AB. And now we need to find out what is AB. So therefore vector AM is basically what is vector AB. We can find vector AB by, look, since A to B, right? So it means the arrow must going from A to B, and A to B simply means AO plus OB, or in other words, OB minus OA. I hope you understand that. If since yesterday you learned about this concept, so it must be easy for you. But I'm just gonna write it down. So in order to go from A to B, you need to go from A to O first, right? AO, and then O to B, right? Plus O to B. And now you can rewrite AO as negative OA, all right? Because the direction is like going to the opposite direction. So it's negative OA, or you can just say OB minus OA. So this is the answer already, all right? That's the answer for AM. Now let's try to think about OM. So OM here, where is O? All right, O is here, that's M. So OM, we can think about it as, let's say, like, try to think about this way, to think about it in this way. So in order to go from O to M, it is basically, there are two ways to go there. So you can go go through O to B first, right? And then going back in the opposite direction of OB, but only until M. So it simply means going minus, why minus? Because it is the opposite direction of AB, minus half of, oh sorry, you can just say plus BM first. So OB plus BM is basically negative, right? Negative half of what? AB. That's why a while ago I wanna just directly put minus, but it might confuse you, so I just wanna do it like step by step like this. I hope you can see this parenthesis. I almost messed it up. Alright, so basically this one is you just know that it is negative half AB, alright, because I don't have much space there. So it is basically OB minus half of A to B, and that's it, because we are just asked to write it in terms of OA and OB. So we've got I'm sorry, OA and OB, so we don't have OA yet, so we gotta change this in the form of OA and OB. Alright, so now let's try to find out AB. And a while ago we noticed here in the first the first part to find AM, we found that AB is actually AO plus OB, so we gotta rewrite that to substitute AB down here. Alright, so I hope you got it. So therefore I'm gonna write it here. OM is O to B minus half of, instead of writing AB, you gotta write it as AO, or you can just directly go with this if you don't want to go step by step, because I usually don't do it step by step, but for you to understand, so I think it's better for me also to explain it step by step. Oh my god, sorry for that. AO, you can rewrite it as negative OA, alright? So I hope you're following. Negative OA. Therefore, you can simplify this then by opening the parenthesis here. So negative half times OB is basically negative half OB. Negative half times negative OA is basically positive half OA. And our final answer therefore will be, what is, oh my god, I gotta put it somewhere here. I'm sorry, this is kinda mess, but I believe you can still follow my handwriting. So OB minus half OB is basically positive half O to B plus half OA, or you can say that you can take out half and you only have like O to B plus O to A, and either these two is the answer. Alright, any of those. So you can answer the first or the last one also, it doesn't matter. I mean the first or the latter. Alright, so I hope you understand it. It is easy, it is simple, and hopefully you can do by understanding the concept in this particular video. Alright, thank you.